Meaning of focal length.
Focal length.
Focal length.
Focal length.
Focal length. Focal length refers to the distance between a camera's lens and the image sensor when the lens is focused at infinity. It is typically measured in millimeters and determines the angle of view and magnification of the lens. A shorter focal length results in a wider angle of view and a smaller magnification, making objects appear smaller and farther away. Conversely, a longer focal length narrows the angle of view and increases magnification, making objects appear larger and closer. Thus, focal length plays a crucial role in determining how a camera's lenses capture and present images.